Hello, welcome to FM Tuition Academy. It doesn't matter where you are watching me from. You know you are somebody who is writing GCE, whether it's mathematics, physics, English, chemistry, biology, and you want to pass your exams. Comment your phone number so that we put you and help you to study effectively on our online tuitions. Okay, just comment your phone number, those ones who want to do online tuitions with us, and we'll help you to pass because our tuitions are exercised in such a way that we learn past paper revision questions together with lessons, including assignments. Okay, let's just go straight. So comment your phone number, you want to start your GCE tuitions. Today we're learning on what you call chemical formulas. Under chemical formula, there's what is called valency. So I need to define these things because we're going to be finding what is a valency. Valency, it is, they can ask you in the exam, say define valency. Valency is the combining power of an element. You can say element or atom. It's a combining power of an atom. What do I mean when I say combining power? I mean the combining capacity. So when atoms, different atoms that join together, they combine with one another. They use valencies to combine. These valencies, they use them to combine. So under the chemistry that you are doing, the common valencies that we have is valence 1, valence 2, valence 3, valence 4. Okay? These are the common valencies that we use in chemistry, in your syllabus. So if they say, what is valency? You say valency is a combining power of an element. The ability for an element to combine with other element. The capacity of that element to combine with another element. Let's say you're combining calcium with oxygen. Calcium has got the ability to combine with oxygen. Same as oxygen, it has got the ability to combine with the calcium, or whether it's copper, whether it's calcium, whatever element it is. Each element has got a combining power. So that's what I'm talking about, combining power. Whether it's calcium, whether it's copper, whether it's aluminium, every element has got a combining power. So that combining power or capacity, it can either be said combining power or capacity of an element is what is called valency. The next thing we're looking at is valency electron. Valency electron, it is, they can say define it, it is the number of electrons in the last shell of an atom. When I say last shell, I can also mean, last shell can also mean outermost shell. Okay? If I say last shell, I mean outermost shell. It's the number of electrons in the last shell or the outermost shell. E.g., for example, if I write an element like this, let's say magnesium. Okay? Magnesium, its chemical symbol, okay. Magnesium, what about magnesium? Chemical symbol for magnesium, guys. Chemical symbol for magnesium. If I say chemical symbol for magnesium, magnesium is Mg. It has got an atomic number of 12. This 12 is atomic number. So, from the previous lesson, I taught you how to write the electronic configuration for this. EC, I taught you how to write EC. EC, electronic configuration. I'll say 2,8,2. Okay? 2,8,2. This 2 is in the last shell. Have you seen? there's shell number 1 which has got 2, shell number 2 it has got 8, shell number 3 it has got 2. So the last shell, this one, is what is called the valence electron. It is a number of electrons in the last shell. When you do your electronic configuration, what is the number in the last shell? This one is what is called valency. So 2 is a valence here. I mean the valence electron. It's a valency what? Electron. 2, I'll write here, 2 is the valency electron. Okay? That is just an example. Okay? I can use another element. It cannot be magnesium only. I can use another element. Let me use another element. Let's say apart from I can say sulfur. Let's use sulfur for example. Sulfur for example. Sulfur it's S sulfur. Let's use sulfur. I can say sulfur. Sulfur symbol it's S. Sulfur is 16 atomic number. EC it is 2,8,6. Sulfur is 2,8,6. Can you see it? Sulfur is 2,8,6. So 6 is it. So the first shell has got 2. The second shell has got 8. The third shell has got 6. So it means what is the number of electrons in the last shell? This is shell number 1, shell number 2. The last shell is 6. So this 6, you see, the last shell here, this 6 is what is called the valency electron. The number of electrons in the last shell, the last one. This is what is called the valency electron. Valency electron. Valency electron is what is called the valency electron. Is what is called the valency electron. So even valence, though the valencies only range from 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it means if I list an element, I want to find the valence, it should not be above 4. So for example, have you seen these two? These two, it is both the valence. Why? Because 2 is found in the valency range. This is a valence range, right? This is a range for the valencies. The range. This is a range that we have for the valencies. Valencies range from 1 to 4. So it means 2 is both the valency, at the same time 2 is also a valence electron. Why? Because 2 is in the last shell, meaning it's a valency, and 2 is also in this range. So it is both the valence electron and the valency. But for example here, 6 for sulfur. The valence for sulfur, it is 6. So it is just a valence. It's not a valence electron because 6 is above 4. So it's just a valency, it's just a valence electron, but it is not a valency because it's above 4. And the range for valency is only this. I hope you have understood. Okay? Valencies range from 1 to 4. Anything above 4 is not a valency. It is a valency electron. It is a valency electron. So a valence electron starts from 1 to 8. Okay? The range for the valence electron, the range also for the valence electron, I'll put it here. The range here, if I say Eg, for the valence electron, okay? Eg, it ranges from 1 to 8, meaning it can either be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6, it can be 7, it can be 8. So all these are possible valencies. Possible valence electron. It ranges from 1 to 8. A valence electron can be 8, meaning the last number here can be 8, it can be 6, it can be 7, it can be whatever number it is, but ranging from 1 to 8. I hope you have understood. I hope you have understood. Okay, so that's how it's done. Let me give you an exercise so that you can attempt an exercise on this. Thank you. So we're writing an exercise. This is an exercise. Exercise. Question 1. Define valency. This is question 1. A. B. Define valency electron. So these valency and valency electrons are used in bonding, okay? They are used in bonding or tissue bonding next. So identify the valency and valency electron in the following atoms. Identify the valency and valence electron in the following atoms. For example, the atom of calcium. I taught you how to find the valence in calcium, right? You first write the EC. You write the electronic configuration, then you select if the valence is 1, you write 1 is the valence. You circle the last part if it's like that. So calcium, A. B. Aluminium. C. Potassium. Potassium. D. Phosphorus.